Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage 360 camera. In the beginning, take a look in the center console of the car. Right here we've got the 360 button. Press it, and on the screen display we enter 360 camera. Now we can switch 360 camera mode between 2D and 3D. Next, we can change camera view from each angle. Next, we can extend camera or zoom it in. In the end, we can go to settings. Here we can enable reversing trajectory, backward exit delay, turn to trigger view, object monitoring, and we can increase or decrease light, transparency, and change color. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.